Happy Tuesday. Okay, again, you're going to want to use your attributes of two-dimensional shapes, okay? And today is Tuesday. You're doing page 198 and page 199. Different kinds of quadrilaterals, and name that quadrilateral. So this is kind of, if you look at the beginning, they're just giving you definitions and helping you better understand different quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals, four-sided shapes. So it has a trapezoid, rectangle, rhombus, square, and a parallelogram, okay? So then there's just 3 questions on this page, and that is it. Circle the word that describes each shape, okay? Trapezoid. Is this a trapezoid? You would circle it. Is this a parallelogram? You would circle it. Is this a rectangle? You would circle it. Is this a rhombus? You would circle it. Is this a square? You would circle it. There's going to be more than one here. This page, okay, and look at the examples all right up here. Is this a trapezoid? If you think it is, circle that word. If you think it's also a parallelogram, circle that word. If it's a rectangle, if it's a rhombus, if it's a square, okay, circle however many details, okay? Refer to this guide right here and your attribute sheet. That's it. That's all you need, I promise you, okay? And then Jackie circled all these words for this shape. Is she right or wrong? Explain your answer. Jackie circled all of these. She said this shape is a parallelogram, a rectangle, a rhombus, and a square, but she did not circle trapezoid. Is Jackie right? Explain your answers. Guys, we even did this. We did something like this on our scavenger hunt, and we did something like this on one of your papers last week, okay? So make sure you're using what you know. Don't make more work than you already have to. That's that page. That's it. This page is equally just as simple. Use this page. Use these guides, okay? So this says, fill in the bubbles to show all the names that could be used to identify this shape. If this is a square, bubble it in. If it's also a rhombus, bubble it in. If it's a quadrilateral, bubble it in. If it's a parallelogram, bubble it in. Okay? Fill in the bubbles to show the names that could be used to identify this shape. If it's a trapezoid, bubble. Parallelogram, are both sides parallel? Okay, is this a rectangle? Is it a quadrilateral? Bubble it in. That's it. Okay, 3 problems. Ready? I'm sorry, 2 more problems. Question 3. How do you know that the shape in problem 2 is not a parallelogram? Use labeled sketches or words to explain. How do you know this is not a parallelogram? Okay, you would use what you know. Here's parallel, the word parallel. And then there's also the definition parallelogram, okay, to help you write your answer here. And question 4. Alessandro had a rock collection. His favorite rock has a mass of 123 grams. His next favorite rocks have masses of 188 grams and 209 grams. How much mass do Alessandro's 3 favorite rocks have together? Show your work. He has one rock that has a mass of this. He has another rock that has a mass of 188. And he has a third rock that has a mass of 209. What are you going to do to solve this, 3rd grade? How do you find out all their masses? Mass, mass, mass. You add them. Okay, that's it. That's your Tuesday. Okay, any questions, let me know. Bye.